Places normal people want to visit, places I want to visit. Jack's Wee Wee Bush, yes! Is it still on Google Maps, Jack's Wee Wee Bush? Jack's Wee Wee Bush, by the way, in case you don't know, is a bush that I wee-weed in a couple of years ago in a video. I mean, you didn't see anything. I, stopped the recording and then I updated the viewers. Anyway, okay, so it was about here where I did the wee-wee. Why are we calling it wee-wee? It does not seem to be on the maps anymore. And then this is where my spawn point was for the GeoGuessr. I thought that was meant to be on the maps as well. Oh, it is. There you go. You just have to search for it. Interesting. 22 reviews. Eggleton is a beautiful place. The Rilla to the birdwatching centre. Shame you need a permit. The church is also lovely. Thanks, Jack, for showing this. I love this place. Wonderful place to stay and enjoy the history of how Jack went to do IRL GeoGuessr and won the game. These are also wholesome. Honestly, beautiful place. The history and legend behind it is breathtaking. Thank you, Jack, for this lovely landmark. This is absolutely delightful. Lacking in the food department. Wish there were better burgers. Okay. Which of my subscribers has the most subscribers this year? That 2023. There are lots of big YouTubers subscribed to me, but who is the biggest? Well, that's what I'll be doing in this video, starting with the last channel to reach 100,000 subscribers. And this year, that person is, wait for it, Buzz, with a Z. Buzz. Alright, we'll check out Buzz's channel in just a second, but first, who this year did not quite reach 100,000 subscribers and therefore deserves to be publicly humiliated? It is Exoid, 99.6. Ah, so close, but so far. Guys, imagine not having 100,000 subscribers yet. Oh, couldn't be me, definitely not. See that little tower behind me, guys? That's 7 silver play buttons stacked on top of each other. I don't even have anywhere to put them anymore. Anyway, sorry about that, Buzz, mate.
See, Daddy, look, Rumacube. Daddy, can I get Rumacube? No, so the thing will be at the house like, Daddy, can you go buy me a Rumacube? A what? A Rumacube. A Rumacube. Rubik's Cube? Rumacube. Marvin, just go get him one. The original Rumacube. I want the original Rumacube. I want the original Rumacube. See, Daddy, look, Rumacube. See, Daddy, look, Rumacube. Daddy, can I get Rumacube? No, so the thing will be at the house like, Daddy, can you go buy me a Rumacube? A what? A Rumacube. A Rumacube. Rubik's Cube? Rumacube. Marvin, just go get him one. The original Rumacube. I want the original Rumacube. I want the original Rumacube. Show me, Jeffy. Show me. Right here. It's like, no way that's it. No way that's what he's talking about. Rubik's Cube. And he's like, that is not what I want. This Daddy. It's Rubik's. That's how we go. This Daddy. This Daddy. This is what I want right here. Rumacube. That was exactly what he was asking. Yeah. I thought you were saying Rubik's Cube wrong. Why? Because I'm slow. Why? Because I'm slow? Yes. I mean, no, listen, Jeffy. Okay, so this is what you want, right? Yeah. Do you even know what it is? Yep. It's the original Rumacube. It brings people together. Classic. Okay, Jeffy, I'll grab it. But you can't ask for anything else. Got it. Got it. I room a cube, you room a cube, we all room a cube. Go. All right, Jeffy, show me. Show me what it is that you wanted. Right here, Daddy. Room a cube. Room a cube. I thought you were saying Rubik's Cube wrong. Why, Daddy? Because I'm slow? Yes. All right, Jeffy, so that's what you want, right? Yep. Do you even know what it is? Yeah, it's the original Roomba Cube. Brings people together. Classic. Okay, Jeffy, if I get this for you, you're not getting anything else, okay? All right, Daddy. All right, Jeffy, let's go. Okay, Daddy. All right, Daddy. Here, look over. Oh, Squishmallow. No. Oh, what that? Oh, what that? And then smack one of them. Like squish it with his hand. Squishy AF. Oh, squishy AF. Daddy. What, Jeffy? Don't have this? No, I'm already getting you a Rubik's Cube. I say, but I want one of these too. But I want one of these too. No, Jeffy, you're getting a Rubik's Cube. Grab it and act like you put it under your shirt. Yeah, and then start walking while you're doing that. Go. All right, Jeffy, let's go. All right. Squishy AF. Dang. What, Jeffy? Can I have one of these? No, I'm already getting you a Rubik's Cube. But I want both. Choose one, Jeffy. Rubik's Cube or whatever that is. Rubik's Cube. All right, come on. So it's in a rough cut at the house. He has some under his shirt. And it's like, we got his Rubik's Cube. Right, so that means he made it through. Obviously, in my dream life, it'd be at the checkout showing him. Right. No, my dream scenario would be a broken guy checking them out. And that's why we need to know somebody here. We need to be friends with the manager. Like, okay, Yep. do that. Like, well, you're trying to rub your wiener on him? Trying to rub your wiener. It took Roomba Cube. It's called Roomba Cube. It's called Roomba Cube. Roomba Cube. Roomba Cube. It's called Roomba Cube. Roomba Cube. Roomba Cube. Roomba Cube. It's Roomba Cube. Roomba Cube. Roomba Cube. It's called Roomba Cube. It's called Roomba Cube. It's Roomba Cube. It took. This is not what I wanted, Daddy. This is not what I wanted, Daddy. I'm saying.
Cub.
Because the tip's hard. No, because like everything else is fun. That's just, I don't like that. Marvin, what is that?
Marvin, what is that?
Roomba Cube. There's something called a Roomba Cube?
There's something called a Roomba Cube?
Yeah, I've never heard of it ever. Can't believe you guys haven't heard of the original.
Can't believe you guys haven't heard of the original Roomba Cube. Brings people together. Classic.
I say, Jeffy, are you gaining weight?
Oh, I say that?
Are you gaining weight?
Jeffy, are you
I
kidding
never.
me?
Well, I never.
You should pat his stomach.
I have an eating disorder.
I have an eating disorder, okay?
Thyroid
I have a
problem.
thyroid condition.
Thyroid problem.
You're never supposed to ask a woman her weight.
You're never supposed to ask a woman her weight.
Yeah, Jeffy, your stomach is pretty bulgy.
Oh my god.
Maybe I'm pregnant, Daddy. You ever think of that?
Maybe I'm pregnant, Daddy. Ever think of that, huh?
Constipated.
Because you f***ed me when you didn't give me that toy.
Because you f***ed me when I didn't get my Roomba Cube on time.
Because you f***ed me when you didn't let me get that Squishmallow.
You f***ed me when I didn't get that Squishmallow.
Jeffy, what is that?
Oh, birth!
Wait, Jeffy, did you steal this from the store?
No, it jumped in my shirt and ran away.
You stole it, Jeffy? No, you bought this for me before.
No, you bought this for me before.
I did?
Oh,
Yeah.
it's so cute.
Yep.
And it's like, you just have old. You have old people brain.
You have old people brain.
I could have swore you asked for that in the store. No, I asked for something else.
No, I asked for something else. Roomba Cube.
But look how squishy it is, Daddy.
Look how squishy it is, Daddy. Squishy as f***.
Look at it. Look what I do to my face.
What are you doing to my face?
It's like, all right, Jeffy, are you ready to play Roomba Cube? I don't know what that is.
Honestly, I don't know what that is. I just made it up.
And I don't know
And
what
then
that
it
is.
existed.
I don't know what that is. I heard someone talking about it one time and I wanted it. Now it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go chew on this in my room.
I'm gonna go chew on this in my room.
Yeah. Okay.
What is that, Marvin?
Rumacube.
You mean there's something actually called Rumacube?
I've never heard of it in my entire life.
See, I told you guys I wasn't saying Rubik's Cube.
Jeffy,